Termite damage repair services are essential for homeowners in the Tampa Bay Area, Florida. The region's warm, humid climate makes it a hotspot for termite infestations, threatening the structural integrity of homes. Tampa Bay, including cities like Tampa, St. Petersburg, and Clearwater, faces significant termite threats. Subterranean termites, such as the Formosan and Asian varieties, along with drywood termites, can severely damage wooden structures, from beams to foundations. Professional inspections are crucial to assess termite damage. Experts look for signs like hollow-sounding wood, sagging floors, or termite droppings resembling sawdust. Identifying the extent of damage is the first step in effective repair. Repairing termite damage involves replacing or reinforcing compromised wood. This can range from minor fixes to major structural restorations. High-quality materials and techniques ensure homes are restored to their pre-infestation state, providing peace of mind. Prevention is key in termite-prone areas. Services may include treating wood with borate-based products and addressing moisture issues. Some providers offer ongoing protection plans to prevent future infestations, crucial in Florida's diverse termite environment. For Tampa Bay homeowners, quick action is vital. If you suspect termite damage, contact a local specialist for an inspection to protect your home from further harm.